We're going to range test the Indy Speed Control pack today. I'm carrying about 78 kilograms of stuff on me with my body, counting that. Anyways, let's see how far we can go. I don't know how far we're going, but if we see a hill, we're gonna climb it. If we see a bunk, we're gonna bunk it. Alright, chill. We're gonna take advantage of all the extra power that this battery gives us. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, we are at the 10-kilometer mark, and the Floaty app says that we have spent 10% of our battery. We're at 72 volts. I don't think that's 10% because that would mean we could ride 100 kilometers. So I think it's closer to 20% or something. But yeah, remember, it's a cold day. We are in winter here, so this is the worst range you're gonna get, or close to it. Let's keep going. Now, you probably don't know this, but I have other hobbies. I play soccer, and about a month ago I sprained my knee really bad, and I've been going to rehab, you know, to get back in shape. So that's why the performance video is taking a little bit longer than usual, because I shouldn't be doing this. So today the range test is just a chill ride, and I'm gonna take several breaks because eventually my knee starts hurting again, so I need to take a break. But yeah, look at this view, man. This is Argentina. Yeah, enjoy. Look at that shit. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Okay, let's keep riding. Now, this is definitely not the best terrain for a range test, but I mean, it's real conditions, so that's it. Oh no, maybe the 30. Yeah, we fucked up. Okay, we're a little bit over 10 miles now, and we have 72% battery. I'll put a screenshot somewhere right here. Seems like we're well on our way to 30 miles range, give or take. It is a nice day though. Keep riding. We've been riding for almost 25 kilometers now, and we're still not hitting 50% battery. And the board performs well. Yeah, this is a great fucking pack. This is the smoothest pavement I have found in this country, so I'm gonna record it for you. It's just gonna be gravel, I mean asphalt, and UFO sounds. Patches like this are good to diagnose if something is wrong with your bearings, and this man feels smooth as heck, and with this pack it rides like a dream. So heck yeah, let's keep going. Okay, we have reached our 50% voltage or battery mark, so I'm gonna turn around now. Hopefully we make it back home, and we've ridden 27 kilometers. I don't think we're gonna ride 27 more on the way back, but I don't know, that's the whole point of the test, right? Let's turn back. Okay, so we rode 6 kilometers more. Let me face the sun. And battery dropped to 63 volts. And the app is now showing 30%. That between 18, I don't know, we have like 10 volts left. So yeah, let's keep riding. We are at less than 30%. Okay, so something weird is going on, in which battery voltage is now lower. I'm at like 30% or something, But the tune that I'm riding, which is a modified version of Nico's Fast Slow, it's behaving funky. I don't know, like I almost fall twice at low speed, so I'm gonna change it to a stiffer tune, which is probably gonna drain whatever's left of the battery a little bit faster. But yeah, I don't know, I'm not trusting it anymore. This also happened with the stock battery, but I didn't mind because it was a stock battery. So I'm gonna change the tune and see if it behaves better. Okay, so I modified the GTV kit tune to get a stiffer board, and it's fixed now. I don't know what happened before. Maybe low voltage and whatever setting Nico's Fast Flow has, it's behaving weird, but I don't know. I fixed it, I guess. We're at the park. I don't know if you can see that, but it says 3%, 55 volt, and if I push the board now, it buzzes, and we are done. Oh, my feet are killing me. So look at this. I can still technically ride a little bit more, but I don't want to ride too far from the charging spot. The app says 2%, 55 volts, 44.6 kilometers. Now that is in miles, 27 miles of range and temperature, because you might not believe me, well, it did rise up a little bit. It is 14 degrees Celsius. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll just screenshot it and place it on top of me. So there you go, guys. I got 27 miles of range on a winter day, riding 90% street and 10% trails. I hope you enjoyed this ride with me. If you want to buy your own XRV PNP battery kit from Indy Speed Control, you can use my code PORTUGEEK and you will get a discount on your pack. Now, this pack has been amazing. I can't believe I rode 27 miles on a winter day. That is just absolutely bonkers. Now, if you're heavier than me, you're gonna get less range than that. If you are lighter than me, you can expect a lot more range than that. I don't know, guys. I don't know what to say. I'm really tired. My knee is killing me. So yeah, you're welcome. I'm putting my body through hell for you. So I hope you enjoyed that. We will repeat this range test. We'll have to do it again on summer because we need to know both numbers. I know you guys are currently on summer, so this test is probably not the one you wanted to. But if you are preparing for winter, if you want to know how this pack will perform in a couple of months, in 3 months, this is the performance you can expect. So I'm here at my charging spot. I'm gonna charge now and see you on the next video.